Let's see if there are any interesting YouTube community posts out there. Oh hey. A post about Thomas and Friends All Agents Go. Let's see what this is about. What? No. That can't be true. No. That's a lie. Brian. Emma. I need to watch the news really quickly. Please.
Sure. There's nothing but reruns on right now.
Gee, I wonder what's got Dad so riled up right now?
Who knows?
And in entertainment news, the controversial Thomas the Tank Engine and Friends spin-off series, All Engines Go, is officially ending due to low viewership.
Ugh, it's about time. Thank goodness that's finally over. That show was a disgrace to the original Thomas the Tank Engine and the legacy of Brett Alcroft.
I agree.
Bring it back. Why do they have to end the show?
Oh my god, Dad, stop that. It's just a dumb TV show. Stop acting like it's the end of the world.
Yeah, you're overreacting. Not only that, but you are acting like a baby. Stop being immature and act your age, for crying out loud.
Hey! Both of you shut the hell up and stop slandering me and my favorite Thomas show. You know you can get sued for that.
Ugh. What in the name of Hercules is going on right now?
Mommy. Thomas and Friends All Agents Go is ending. Please bring it back now.
Oh my god. Seriously, Dave? You're acting like a goddamn baby and throwing a temper tantrum over this? This is ridiculous. And I can't bring the show back. I'm not a TV network.
No. I demand you to bring it back right now. And please ground Brian and Emma for slandering All Agents Go. Ground them for 1, 2, 3, 8, 1, 7, 9, 3, 7, 1, 2, 9, 4, 5, 5, 5 years.
Mom, don't listen to Dad. He's being a lying crybaby.
Brian, that's it. You're grounded for tranquility.
Dave. Stop it. Right now. You cannot ground Brian for stupid reasons like that. Brian was just being honest about your behavior, and he and Emma were just giving their opinions.
Do you want to be grounded too? If you do not ground Brian and Emma right now, you will also be grounded for life.
Dave. Cut it out. Right now. Stop making these stupid grounded threats. Grounded threats don't work. Now stop being a baby and find something to do. You're going to our room.
Why is everyone against me? Why won't anyone take my side? Will I ever get my way? Jesus Christ. Jesus fucking Christ. I want all engines go back.
Man, someone needs to invent automatic earplugs that close your ears whenever that man baby Dave throws his loud as hell temper tantrums. This is too much.
I agree with you, Trevor. Dave really needs to get a job, get a hobby, seek professional help, and get a life.
Yeah! He doesn't even realize that he has an unhealthy obsession with shows that are meant for babies and toddlers. Dave really needs to go to a psychiatrist.
Dave. That's enough. Now stop acting like a goddamn baby and find something else to do right now, or I will put you in our room and you will stay there for the rest of the day.
Wach. 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 Wach.
You are going straight to our room. You are going to our room and you will stay there for the rest of the day.
No. No. No, 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 no. I don't want to go to our room. War. War. Hey. Put me down. Put me down, you wicked witch. You wicked old witch. You put me down, you wicked witch of the West. War.
Man, Dad really needs to go to a psychiatrist and seek professional help.